Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, this problem may arise because of number of reasons. And to fix it, what you need to do is go to your start button, just right click on it, then click on run. Inside run, type ncpa.cpl, that is ncpa.cpl, and click on OK. Then just expand this. Now, if you're using a Wi-Fi adapter, you'll see a Wi-Fi here, and I'm using Ethernet, so I'm seeing an Ethernet here. If you see a Wi-Fi, just click on it, just right click on it and click on disable. And after that, what you need to do is just refresh this, and then just go ahead and enable this again. And after that, what you need to do is simply just close this, and then just go ahead and check your internet. It should be working. And just in case it's not working, the next step what you need to do is just go to your search bar. In here, type CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After that, in here, you need to put some commands. Those are this. At first, type this. netsh winsock reset catalog. Just type this and hit enter. And after that, what you need to do is type the second command. netsh int ip reset. Just type this on your CMD and hit enter again. After that, you simply need to go ahead and restart your computer. So close this. Then just go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And basically that is how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.